Okay, so today we're doing volume of cones. So if you look on your reference sheet, it tells you the volume of a cone is 1/3 BH. Okay, we know this B stands for the area of the base. And once again, with a cone, my base is always going to be a circle. So we can rewrite this equation. Instead of B, we know the area formula for a circle is pi r squared, and then we can drop our h down. So the same thing as cylinder volume, except we have a 1/3 in front because it's 1/3 of the volume of a cylinder of the same size. Okay, so example 1. Got your cone. We're going to draw our own cones. And that'll be 3 inches, 6 inches, it'll be 10 inches. So I'm going to write out my equation. Drop my 1/3 down, pi. My radius is 3 because that's in the circle, so I'm going to square 3. Now my height. Remember, we talked about with surface area of cones, we use the slant height, but for volume, we're going to use the actual height. So which one is the actual height of the cone? 6, the one that goes straight through the middle. So we don't do anything with 10. It's kind of just there to annoy us. Okay, we're going to type this in. 1/3 times 3.14 times 3 squared times 6. That is not right. Where did I miss? 1/3 times 3.14 times 3 squared times 6. There we go. 56.5 inches cubed. All right, example number 2. Let's draw a sideways cone. Six millimeters. And we'll make that 28 millimeters. So once again, I have my 1/3. I know pi is 3.14. My radius is 6. And my height is 28. So type that in, and you should get this. If you did not get that, I want you to type it in again and try until you figure out what you're doing wrong so you can get that number. All right, last example. We're going to do a cylinder. Can I review something from yesterday? With a cone on the bottom of it. Okay, so that right there is going to be 8 feet. Four feet and 5 feet. Okay, so let's do the cylinder first. Cylinder is pi r squared h. So we take 3.14. My radius for my cylinder is not 8 because that goes all the way across. My radius is 4. So 4 squared, and the height of my cylinder is 4 as well. So that gives me 201 if I type that in. Now my cone down here, now I have to do my 1/3. Same thing, 3.14. My radius is still going to be 4 because it's the same circle. So 4 squared. This time my height is 5. And for that one, you get 83.7. So I really want you guys to try to type these in and make sure you get your answers. Then what do you think I'm going to do with the cylinder and the cone if I'm trying to find the total volume? I'm going to add them together. So whenever I add them together, I get 284.7 feet cubed. And that's my answer.